Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly show you my GIVI adapter to fit on the tank here, or whatever you would call it, on an electric bike. It looks like this. This is my homemade bracket, and I just bolted the GIVI bracket to this bracket. If I were to make a version 2, I would probably reinforce this one here like I did here. I reinforced it a little bit, but I would also extend this reinforcement a little bit, maybe up to here, and then I would do it all the way around to make these more rigid. But it seems like it's rigid enough, but yeah, I would probably just add something if I were to make one more. So yeah, I'll just pause the video and you can see it when it's mounted. Yeah, I can just show you this. This is the spacers that I use. I also 3D printed these spacers here. So they work like the original bolts. So they go in the recess inside the hole inside, and then I don't know if I can show you here. You can see I have this little recess on it there that goes into the hole. Yeah, to center the fairing here. I'm just gonna show you when I mounted the bracket. When I have mounted the bracket. Okay, this is how it looks. There's only a small gap underneath. Could have made it a little bit smaller, but it's, yeah, whatever, it's okay. So it's kind of sturdy. It's kind of sturdy. I think it's gonna work. I'm gonna try and put I'm gonna try and put something a little bit heavy inside this bag. You can see it. This bag is just clicks on. It's this GIVI TanklockED system with a key. Yeah, and it sits here, and you can see here there is a little bit of a gap here, but it's okay. Once I load it with some clothes and stuff, then it's going to be like down here, so it's gonna be okay. And maybe I could put some support here, but I don't think it's really necessary. And there's plenty of clearance here. Maybe I would want less clearance. I can still adjust the bracket up here on the bag a little bit so that it goes forward, so that I would have more space for my belly. But yeah, I'm gonna put something in it and test it.